Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9. Today do we want to do presentation about attendance system at school. Uh, My name is Alfisyahrin Gusman, and there is Muhammad Rhazes Alhambara, Andalusia Divino, and there is Aditya Farel Angkasarmin. So let's begin. Human activities in this era certainly cannot be spared from the internet. Almost all aspects of life can now be made easier with digital-based systems such as online transportation, online food, and e-commerce shopping. Therefore, it is possible that the education sector can also be affected by digitalization. Coupled with the current situation where the offline learning trial period is still running with a quota of a student who may come to school only less than 50% of the number of the student per class. Therefore, we need an application system that makes it easier for some students who are at home to carry out activities like being at school, such as the program we create, namely the school attendance system. This program has features such as an absence feature, a schedule feature, and a feature for submitting assignment that will make it easier for students to study from home. Okay, first, there is a login. The login is start with the splash screen that display welcome to school attendance system, and then will process the username and password and status and today and our com and our presence, and then display enter username and enter password. Then the program will accept username and password and then read the username and password. If the username start by a letter or correct, will going to A. But but uh, but when username and password is incorrect, the program will return to display enter the username and enter password or B. Next slide, please. Okay, the second there is a main menu. After the username and password correct, the program will going to the main menu that start display main menu that contain one presence, two schedule, three assignment, and four logout. And then the program will accept uh, the menu like there is number one page. If yes, then the program will going to present system, or is number two press is going to schedule, is number three press is going to assignment, is number four press is going to log out or exit from program. Next slide. Presence. For the presence system, there is start from display presence, and then the process will process the today, our com, our presence, character coming and change status. And then going to display today, hour, and coming. If they present come, the program will achieve the she coming, and then going to our present is less than our come is yes. The program will process the status to be on time and the hour presence, and then display on time, have a nice day, and then uh, the data will going to absence storage. If no, this the program will display you are late and process update status late and hour presence, and then going to absence storage. If student want to back to main menu, the program will display process cancelled and back to the main menu.
Okay, schedule is one kind of main menu system. In the first schedule is a splash screen. The second, the character is confirm and date schedule, three date of schedule, the days, the hour, then the subject. And after that, display will student schedule, and after that, display will back to main menu. We choose yes or no. After that, accept C confirm, and if you yes, you will go to the page, and if you no, you will to display before again. Okay, this assignment. The first assignment is we have numeric subject and character confirm. And the assignment we have example. We have for display. The first we have on mathematics, and to science and three English, and for we have exit to main menu. Okay, after that we accept the end subject, and after that we choose if your number press 1, yes, you can go to mathematics, and if you use second, you have go to science, and if you press the third, you have go to English, and if you accept number 4, you will go to exit to main menu. This is a example for segment math. If we will segment mathematics, the first do in the flow chart is C confirm, C status, and numeric math, and they submit and do that. After that, display will your math assignment today, and if you want to assignment, you choose yes, and you have to do a date in the 11, and the display will assignment your work yes or no. After that, accept C confirm, and after that the submit and the date. Then after all of assignment made, you will go to main menu. This is a pseudocode. In this pseudocode, we have in the first slide, we have for pseudocode. First, we have pseudocode login pseudocode. In In the display, we'll come to attendance system and the character and the password. And if user in the password to the display is enter username and enter the password. Example, if username Farel in the password 123321, and you can begin call main menu teacher or main menu student. And we have a main program, simple in the main program, just a begin, display screen, login, and in three, we have procedure splash screen. In the procedure splash screen, you begin and display welcome to the school attendance system and end. Then for procedure of main menu, after begin numeric menu and second theme, and we have for display first main menu, presence, schedule, and logout. After that, except the in menu, again case 1, case 2, and case 3. Then after that, and again.
And for the procedure presence, we have some like incoming, second, and C. And if the C coming is 0, and then it accepts the C coming and start the code. If the C coming is true, then it will calculate if the hard and the hard come. It will begin to start the first decision, that is update the C status on time and displaying on time, have a nice day, and call the main menu procedure. Sorry, call main menu module, and then if the dhr presence is bigger than dhr com, it will display you are late and the status is late. And now we have procedure for assignment. And the first is we have display. It displaying the menu. There is display 1 is mathematics, display 2 is science, display 3 is English, and display 4 is exit. And it exit the subject, the end subject, it's which what is selected. And then it begin using case. If the display 1 mathematics is selected, then it will call module mathematics. If case 2 is selected, and it will call the module science. If case 3 is selected, it will call module English, and if case 4 is selected, and it will display are you want to exit, yes or no. And if it confirm is yes, then it will end the process. If no, then it will bring back to the module assignment. And also we have procedure math assignment in here. So we have 3 input in here. There is character C confirm, C status, numeric and math, date the submit, and the due date. And we set due date is to 11 a.m. and it will first showing that it will displaying math assignment, and display your assignment today is 1. And if your nmax is bigger than 1, so it will accept the nmax and begin to displaying your assignment. And if you want to submit your work, and if you press confirm, if you press yes, and it will checking your submit time is less than due date or no. If no, then it will begin the first decision. Test will update your C status on time and the submit and display on time good job on your screen. And it will bring you back to assignment module. And if not, then your status will be updated too late and your screen will be displayed you are late. Next slide, please. And in here we have the dry run table. First we have the dry run table login. And here we have 3 initiation, that is 0s0, and the process for calling main menu and the display is cancelled, and the one is accept C user and C pass, and the third is default that call login. And in here we have main menu procedure that have 2 initiation, that is menu and C confirm, that have 7 variable. And if you press and if you accept variable 1, it will call presence, and if variable 2, and it will call schedule, and if variable 3, it will call logout, and if variable 4, it will accept she confirm, and it will be output, and the output is will be displayed. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes or no? And the 5 as default, it will call main menu. And we have variable yes, and the process is will end. It means it will output, and the output is it will display exit application, and if no, then it will call main menu module. And we have system process presence. This dry run table will test the display of procedure presence. It have input date, the today, the outcome, the hour presence, character sheet image, C status, C data presence, and we set the date hour count to 7 a.m. So we have accept the hour presence. The hour presence is less than the hour count, then the process will insert into percent, and the output will be displayed on time. Don't be late. And next, we have system process schedule. The initiation is only schedule, and the process is input the days, the hour, and is subject and C subject. The output will display student schedule. And the last is system process assignment. In here we have initiator and subject, and have variable 1 that call mathematics, and variable 2 call science, variable 3 call English, variable 4 accept she confirm, and it will be output as, and the output is displaying are you sure want to exit, yes or no. And 5 as default is called main menu, and we have initiation she confirm, and we have variable 1 is as n, and variable 2 as called main menu. And Thanks for today, and sorry for our mistake and the lag that has appeared, and I'm sorry I can start the video because it could make lag. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.